In this demo, we'll see how we can process invoices from Gmail into an ERP system in real time using OCI Document Understanding and Oracle Integration Cloud. OCI Document Understanding service is available from the console. You can go to Key Value Extraction, and the service analyzes the invoice, and it has extracted the key values of the invoice header like the invoice ID, the invoice date, and many others, as well as the line items. Now, in Oracle Integration Cloud, we have created multiple integration flows using different adapters like Google Cloud Apps App to connect to Gmail in real time, REST adapters to connect to OCI Document Understanding API and Object Storage API. Finally, we use Oracle ERP Cloud Adapter to create invoices into this ERP. Let's go into the vendor's email platform, attach the invoice, and send it to the buyer's Gmail inbox. This triggers a Gmail push notification, which will send the email message together with the invoice to Oracle Integration Cloud. We come to observe, and we can see that the invoice was received and processed successfully. Looking into the integration, it captures the Gmail message in real time, it reads the file, then it calls AI Document Understanding Service API, and finally, using the ERP adapter, it loads the invoice into ERP Cloud. If we go to Fusion ERP Cloud and search for our invoice, we will see it has been created, and all the information is available here, including the line items. Thank you.